angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I'm actually going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look that you guys see here. And I promised you guys that I would do a look with the new Morphe 39A palette. This is Morphe's new palette. This is their biggest palette yet, and I definitely want to show you guys this look that I created today. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe, become one of my precious angels. If you are already one of my angels, you guys know I love you so much. Thank you so much for your loyalty and sticking by your girl's side. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video, girl. Okay, angels, so we're going to be starting off in the Morphe 39A palette, and I'm taking this tan shade and just applying that right above my crease line for my transition color. Then I'm taking this purple shade and I'm just carving out this like oval shape above my eye, and then I'm going to be using my blending brush to smoke it out. This is a very easy look, angels. I wanted to go for like a smoky yet neutral look. So I'm taking this purple color that you see here and I'm actually darkening up that crease area and that edge just to make it more smoky. And then I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Neutral, you already know, and I'm just applying that across my lid. And I'm going to be dragging this all the way over, angels. So this is a very easy beginner friendly look. So now I'm diving back into the palette and I'm taking this tan color and I'm applying that right over the concealer all the way across my lid. Very easy, guys, nothing too special. Then I'm going to be taking my Gold Ruby Kisses glitter liner and just lining my eye. And then of course I did the rest of my makeup off camera, applied my lashes and all of that jazz. Make sure you check down below in the description bar for these 3D Mink lashes and everything else. And that's the end of this video. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Tried to do something a little bit different today. But if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you get out of here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success, put God first. Always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.